Hello ladies and gentlefolk and residents of YouTube land. It's time to do my recent mail calls. There are 3 new stickers to join my Lions Den gallery this time around. First one to find a place is my old buddy Captain Jerk. Justin's world renowned for his love of schools, and he has created them in different mediums. His most recent creations see him working with resin. But that isn't all there is to the Captain. From working silver for Zippo decoration, creating jewellery, or just inviting us to join in whilst he cooks or does household chores. Jerk off, jerk out! My second sticker this session belongs to a channel that we know as Old Brat Rider, or OBR for short. It's an eclectic mix of projects, from recycling and upcycling, as in the reclaimed wooden shelves for his workshop, or the pallet that found itself transformed into a handy table, to machining tips for mill, drill and lathe, and tool reviews, and so much more. My buddy Chuck turns his hand to whatever takes his fancy. Check out his ongoing mobile foundry project. Thanks for your support, Chuck, I really appreciate it. Always keep those cameras rolling, my friend. The third sticker to hit the gallery today is from a leather craftsman in Ohio, America, that goes by the tag Big Dog Leather. Tim creates some beautiful designs on all sorts of leather goods, from belts and wallets to guitar straps, rounders and even some cool key fobs. Watching him work is both relaxing and inspiring, and his finished products are nothing short of stunning. Keep up the awesome work, Tim. Since my last update, there have been a couple of new workshop purchases. This is one of them. Record wood lathe. Picked it up off eBay for an absolute steal. It's a 1995 model, and yeah, it's been used a little bit, but it came with a box full of goodies, some kind of chuck, some tapers, etc. No turning tools. Managed to find some on eBay, cheap as chips. Let me try it out. I've no idea whether I like wood turning, whether I'm any good at it, but at the price the lathe was, I couldn't turn it down. Came with the trestles as well. So we'll be giving that a try and possibly getting a few projects out from that. It's something I've decided I wanted to try a while ago, but it's something that sometimes you never get round to. So we'll give it a go and see what happens. The second of this month's bargains is this cracking little MIG welder. Absolutely brand spanking new, but 20 years old. Kept in storage. I've had to, bit of lubrication, bit of freeing off, but everything on it seems to work okay. And that's going to get seen in some of the future projects, no doubt. Saves me bringing my welder home from work, or having to resort to the arc welder for some things that just don't arc weld very well. Don't know anything about them at all, don't seem to be able to find very much about them. Anybody knows any information or can point me in the right direction, drop me a line, let me find out.